Hey y'all, it's Gina. I'm back in my kitchen today with another recipe for y'all. Okay, today I'm making a turkey pot pie. Why a turkey pot pie, y'all might ask? Because I have leftover turkey in my freezer from Thanksgiving and stuff, so I needed to use that up. And I had a little bit of veggies, and you gotta eat what you got, folks. So in the bowl, turkey, sauteed celery, sauteed onions. You can kind of see the celery a bit in there, and the onions. They were sauteed in some butter. They have a little bit of poultry seasoning, salt, pepper, and sage in there, which I'm going to have to add more of, I know. We've also got a can of cream of mushroom soup. On my stove behind me, I have a pan that has got some mixed vegetables, and I just put that over there to kind of heat up so that I can get the water off of it. You know how those vegetables from the freezer get, they have a little bit of water in them. I also made a biscuit topping. Got some milk sitting out here in case I need to add a little milk to make this a little creamier. I think I have some gravy. I may use some gravy. But Gina just had to whip up what she's got. And like I said, I used what I had in the freezer. Yeah, that's all right. I was just looking at my piece of turkey there, y'all. And yeah, I just washed my hands. So, no, I don't need to. It's not like it's that bad. I've just washed them. Literally. And so far, it's looking a little bit like that. It's still a little bit dry. And now, we all have to eat. It's the middle of winter, and I don't know about y'all, but like I'm getting stuff delivered by Amazon, okay? Basically, that's my food source right there is Amazon. Or like Walmart pickup. Because Aldi, what the heck? Y'all won't even let me pick up some dang food. Y'all need to get over it. Anyway, I'm going to wait till these vegetables get everything in there and get all the water out, and then I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Well, I was going to put in 1 can of whole milk that was in the cream of mushroom soup. Y'all know I normally make homemade gravy. Today, we're going to put this in here. Nobody likes dry turkey. Nobody, y'all. I'm going to drain this out as best I can. And also, I've got my veggies. My veggies here have gotten all the water out of it. I'm going to turn this jar upside down here for a minute and let those all drain down while I go ahead and grab these vegetables and put my vegetables. You can tell that they just came off the stove. They're still hot. So put your vegetables. These were frozen mixed. They were from Walmart in a 2-pound bag. I had just a bit left. And so we're going to use these up. And then we're going to season this thing back up. And we're going to throw it in our pan. And I'm going to show you how to do the biscuit topping. Okay, y'all. I've got all that mixed up. And I got the rest of the gravy out. Alright. We're going to run through these seasonings real quick. Poultry seasoning. Sage. I love sage. Black pepper. Just plain black pepper. Enough to give it some flavor. And another pinch of salt. And by a pinch, I mean about a teaspoon and a half. Alright, we're just going to mix that in. Okay, y'all. So I've got everything mixed up. All the vegetables, all the turkey, all the cream of soup, and stuff to make a sauce. It's going into a greased number 13 baking sheet. And it smells really super good. And I know I used cream of mushroom and I used turkey gravy out the jar. Shoot me. But this is a good way to use those things like that, you know, quick and easy. Some nights we just have to have that. Sometimes all girls gotta have a little bit of sanity. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'll just throw some of this on top. This is just standard biscuit mix that's been mixed up. I'm going to throw that on top, and then I'm going to bake it at 350.